In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva with Mailchimp, allowing you to easily integrate your Canva designs into your email campaigns. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly create stunning emails using your Canva designs directly within Mailchimp. So, let's jump right in. First, we'll begin by opening Mailchimp. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the Integrations section. This is the hub where you'll be connecting various tools to enhance your Mailchimp experience. Now, you need to locate the search bar on this page. Here, type Canva, and you should see Canva appearing in the list. Select it. Next, it's time to connect the two accounts. You'll see the Connect button. Go ahead and click that. This action will prompt you to sign into your Canva account if you aren't already. Simply click Allow to grant permission for Mailchimp to access your Canva designs. There might be a tiny wait here while the connection is being established, so patience is key. Soon enough, a message will confirm that your Canva is connected to Mailchimp, giving you the green light to get started. With that setup done, let's move to the next exciting stage, integrating your Canva designs into an email. Click on Content in the Mailchimp dashboard and then select Canva. This will display all your Canva files directly within Mailchimp, making it incredibly convenient to access your creative assets with ease. If at any time you need to return to the Manage Canva page, simply click on Integrations again. Scroll down until you find Canva and then select Manage App. This is useful if you need to adjust any settings or manage your connected accounts. Now onto the fun part, adding your Canva design to an email in Mailchimp. Start by clicking on Create, then select Email. Choose Regular Email. You'll then create an internal email and click Begin. Once you're here, it's time to design your email. Click on Design Email and choose a template that works for you. If you already have something specific in mind, feel free to click Apply. To add an image from Canva, simply drag and drop the image into your chosen template and click Add Image. Then you'll need to select the image you'd like to incorporate and click Sync and Insert. It takes a little while, so just be patient as your design syncs with your template. And voila, your Canva design is now beautifully synced with your Mailchimp email template. So with everything now in place, the last thing to do is click Save and Exit. From here, you're ready to send your beautifully designed email to anyone you'd like. Now you have the tools and knowledge to seamlessly blend Canva's stunning designs with Mailchimp's powerful email marketing platform. Happy emailing!